Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to send an audio in a group on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on the group where you want to send the audio. Simply tap on the group's name to enter. Step 3. Look for the attachment icon within the group. It is usually represented by a paperclip symbol. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Now, find the audio icon, typically represented by a music note. Give it a tap to access the audio sending feature. Step 5. Select an audio that you want to send. You can browse through your device's storage to locate the desired audio. Tap on it to select. Step 6. Finally, when you're ready to send the audio, simply tap on the play button. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an audio in a group on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.